Hi guys, we're back working on this 2015 Subaru Forester. This is a touring model. So you guys watch the video on taking the door panel out, because today I'm going to show you guys how to remove this outside side view mirror on the car. So if you're wondering how we got to here, watch the other video. Pretty simple. And then I'm going to remove this door mirror. It's a power mirror. It's got a blinker on it. It's more of a sought out mirror than most of the other ones that are basic. This one will have all the functions on it. So here's the plug for the actual mirror. This guy right here that goes to the outside. It's got a little pin right here. If you push it down, I can't do it with my fingers, so down there, this thing, the sound barrier on the door, if you pull it lightly, it won't rip, as I'm doing here. The reason behind that is there's a couple of tins back there we got to get to, and then just pull this wire out from the back side like so. But let's flip this way and get that out of the way. There's 1, 2, 3 number 10s. I don't know if you can see it, but if I take it out, I'll show it to you guys. There's one right here. I put my hand down here so I don't drop it. You get a number 10 socket. There's one. Oh, I dropped it. And there's one right in here. And if you can't see it through here, you can look right through here. You can just there's that last 10. And if you've gotten a car accident and you need to remove the mirror, you don't want to pay body shop to do it. It shouldn't take you no more than 10 minutes to take the door panel off, to get the mirror off. Pretty simple. Don't waste your money paying someone else to do it. Watch the video and do it yourself. This thing, obviously all 3 screws are off. It hasn't fallen because it has like a little grommet that holds it together. But there's that 3rd bolt. What's up, Bobby? Just pull it out. You can guide the cable through the back side, but as you can see, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. And there's your mirror. This one has the blinker on it. Only touring models come with this. I'm sure someone's gonna ask me, can you put this on a non-touring model? Yeah, it'll fit, it'll bolt up. To get this to work, it's got a couple extra wires, so you're gonna have to do some wiring to make this work. It is possible, it can be done. I just am not gonna do it. Well, I can if I wanted to, but it's a lot of work. So I'll show you guys how to take it off. You can buy this mirror, and I'm sure you can run the wires to the blinker system and get it to work. So that's how you take this mirror off the door if you got an accident of any kind. And going back on is the exact same way as we took it off. Just push it in. Make sure that this wire goes around this rod and not over this way, because then the window won't be able to come down. And this is the little nub. If you push it in through here, it'll hold itself, so you don't need 2 people to do the job. So that is the mirror.